you are a web developer and you are not hosting your own clients, but you are paying other hosting providers to host your clients, you are leaving a ton of recurring money on the table. I'm going to reveal to you how I built my own hosting business called Zena Hosting, and I demonstrated this in a separate video showing you how you can build your own hosting business from home step by step without even touching a single line of code. And on this website you can host your own clients, bill them, and they'll pay you every month to have their websites online. Now let me show you this. There's a search box here, search domain name. Just click on it and type a domain name. So clients domain name here, search, and the website will search for domains availability. So clients will buy domain names from you. They'll add this to cart, click on checkout, pick domain add-on, something like DNS management or email forwarding, and click on continue. They can add hosting to their cart. Okay, on top there's hosting, right? They can also buy domain names. You can click on shared hosting, other hosting. This domain is already in our cart, so you just use it. Pick a billing cycle, so I'll pick 12 months. Continue. ID protection, or just continue. And the software we're using here are the same softwares all these popular hosting providers use. So it's the same overflow. So they enter a purchase code or promo code here. Click on checkout, enter their personal information. After that, you scroll down. Enter their secured passwords, pick a payment gateway, and pay you money to host their websites. So if you're a web developer, you can create this, host your own clients, and keep the profit or keep the money. Okay. So if you're curious to know how you can build your own web hosting business from home, check the description of this video, because I'll link my other video there that will show you step by step. It's like 4-hour video, 4-hour free course I created on YouTube for you to build your own hosting business from home. Okay, you also see it on your screen right now, so it's going to pop up. Click on it and I'll see you there. Thank you for watching this video. My name is Solomon and I'm here on this channel helping you guys build amazing web applications without even touching a single line of code. So thank you and see you later. Bye bye.